It's so humid. We're gonna do our makeup for after work plans. Doing something very cute and it's very exciting. So here's the before. She's so sweet like jasmine. I just gotta have it on you. Okay, we're done. I want my lunch and I'm eating sour gummy worms. I did bring pasta and veggies, but I'll eat that in a second. Like, I feel like if I actually eat lunch on my lunch break, I'm being robbed of my break. Like, I'll eat on your dime. While I'm working, of course. This guy's been walking around the parking garage. Are you just waiting to snatch someone? Anyways. It was raining all day. And now we've clocked out and the sun is out. It's brighter than it's literally ever been. I truly can't even see. Anyways, we're gonna go to Shake Shack. So. Oh my god. I get bread, meat, and lettuce. And I'm not kidding. And it's glorious. Yup. I just got home and I'm immediately in bed. I don't feel so good. I don't know if it was the Shake Shack or if it's like stomach virus vibes, but I think based on how I'm feeling, like I just feel kind of sickish. And I also like was having stomach pains and stuff, so I don't know if they were correlated or what's going on, but I'm also so cold. I've been cold all day. Like at work it was just freezing, and then I was cold at the place, and then I was like cold in the car. I've just been cold. I'm like, did I leave my jacket at the place? I don't know. Anyways, the event was really cute. I wasn't feeling good when I got there, and I literally told the girl, like, I was like, I might leave. Like, if I abruptly leave them, I was like, do I leave before this starts? or do I wait and then like potentially leave in the middle of it abruptly? And I just stuck it out, and it was cool, it was fun, it was great. And I got a really good matcha at the end, vanilla with Earl Grey syrup. And yeah, I like don't feel that great, but we'll continue to monitor. But the people at this thing were gassing me up. They're like, oh, are you a model? Look at your outfit. Who are you? That's what one of them said. I'm like, you have to be someone, or you have to be. And I was like, just a little me. And like, are you like a vlogger, content creator? Like, do I follow you or something? I was like, no. As I'm making a video. I'm like, no, I'm nobody. I have nothing else to say.